Start of the ball game. Who gets the hit? Number 12. Number 12 drives strong. Brings up, in and out. Rebound. Cardenas. Cardenas shoots. Well. Rebound number 4. Then over to Lozon. The ace-point guard. Releasing Tagle. Tagle tries a triple. Tagle. First 3-point basket on the ball game from Tagle. Point guard number White, Team Aljo, number 3, dedicated number 12. Number 12 now, back to number 3. Number 3, stops, shoots, lays up, no good, rebound. Black possession. Lozon into the center front. Binigay sa corner. Triple play wala. Rebound yan. Number 4. Over to Lozon. Lozon crosses over. Lozon. All along is number 3. That was an easy two. Making it tally 3-2 in favor of Team Rich. Lozon now with the ball. Binigay sa kabila kay Tagle. Back-to-back triples for Tagle. Tagle to win. 6-4 ang ating score. Number 3, signaling the play. Tumuturo sa kabila. Binigay sa gitna. Blanco. Binigay kay number 12. Number 12. Nakakaroon ni Tagle. Tagle. Advance up to Lozon. Lozon. Basket is good because of foul. On number 3. That is his first personal foul. First team foul. Bonus free throw for Lozon. Completing the 3-point play is Lozon, making the score 9-2. We are at 7:52 in our first quarter. Number 3, signaling the play. Binigay sa kabila. Blanco tries a triple. Blanco to win. Lozon. Lozon, nagmamadali. Being chased by number 12. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Fakes is Tagle. Tagle tries another one. Long. Rebound by number 4. That's the board by Nyen. Nyen. Blocking foul on Cardenas. That is his first personal foul, second team foul. Sideline inbound, blocking foul. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Tagle, pinalik kay Lozon. Lozon tries a triple. Lozon to win. 12-5, 7-point deficit for Team Aljo. 6 minutes and 56. Number 0, binigay sa ilalim. Kita to number 12, Santiago. Drives, lays up. A 2. Santiago. Advance pass sa ilalim. Fakes. Reverse. Number 3. Making his move is number 3. Shoots. Short. Rebound Cardenas. Block. Now on number 32. On the board. 3 seconds in the key. Lozon, number 12. The ace point guard. Binigay Tagle. Another for all. Tagle to win. That is his third triple of the day for number 16 guy, Tagle. Assist from Lozon. Here's number 3. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Binigay sa Santiago. Back to number 3. Number 3. But there's a holding foul caught by a ref on number 12, Lozon. That is his first personal foul. First team foul. 15-7, ating pong score. Number 3, binigay sa corner. Short. Save. Nakakuha number 24. Over to Lauzon. Lauzon. Pushes the face. Lauzon. Lays up. 2. 17-7. Sa puna po ang Team Ricks. Just over 5 minutes remaining. Number 3. Number 3, fakes, shoots, change 5, both teams. Official score, 17-9. An 8-point lead from Team Ricks. Ito na ang fresh legs for both teams. Back to the ball game. Number 1, binigay sa kabila kay number 28. Number 28, binigay sa gitna to number 1. Over to number 16. 18 rather. Binigay kay number 28. Wala, long. Rebound, Macalde. Macalde, number 1. Macalde pa rin. Dire-diretso. No good. Rebound, Paingason. Paingason, number 28. Paingason, over to number 8. Boom, gets the loose ball. Binigay number 28, binigay kay Pereira. Naagaw ni Macalde. Nakuha ni number 41 for 82. Making tally 11-17. Just a 6-point lead for Team Ricks. Pereira, number 18. Being looked by Rico Blanco. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 1, Rodriguez. Naagaw. Continuation is number 41. Number 41 is up for 2. That is a 6-0 run. 17-13. 3-34 remaining. Paingason. There's a foul downstairs on number 24. Number 24, that is his first personal foul. Third team foul. 14 seconds on the shot clock. We'll repeat it now in the basketball. Over to Pereira. Pereira, binigay sa ilalim ng pasa. In and out. Rebound by Francisco. Number 41. Number 41 drives. Short stand. Off the box to good for 2. But number 41 guy, that is his 6th point of the ball game. Number 1 pa rin. Binigay sa ginana. Number 41 over to Macalde. Macalde. Lays up. Wala. Rebound number 1. Nagmamadali number 1. Patapag-basa. Line ball. Sabi na. Dalawa na lang po kalamangan ng Team Ricks. Gumawa ng marami ang second drive ng Team Manager number 41. Signaling the play, binigay sa gitna. Blanco. Good defense, same ball. Yung 11 seconds on the shot. 11 seconds to shoot. For the Villa. Binigay Macalde. Macalde. With a foul on number 8. That is his first personal foul, second team foul. 2 free throws, or sideline inbound. Sideline inbound. Number 41, De La Cruz. Turnover. Paingason, number 28 guy. Paingason drives in the middle. Turnover. Number 41 now, nagmamadali. Binigay kay Daniel. Shoots, wala, rebound. Black ball, sabi na rin. 17-15 pa rin ang tagaan. Number 1 Rodriguez, binigay kay number 28. Number 28, back to number 1, Rodriguez, number 1. Number 1, Pare, binigay kay number 8. Number 8, Alistor, drive, shoots, in and out. But there's a foul on number Francisco. Only his first personal foul. 4th team foul. First free throw is good for Alistor. Second try coming up. 2 for 2. Making the tally 19-15. Under a minute remaining in the first. Number 41, De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Binigay sa Larry Genover na matalipad na top. Counter steal. Francisco shoots for 2. Find the song. Number 28. Shot from 51. Number 28, binigay sa gitna Alistor. Short stab. Long. The rebound by Blanco. Blanco pa rin. Binigay kay number 21, De La Cruz. 15 seconds on the shot clock. De La Cruz drives, lays up, and out. Cruz will foul on number 28. That is his first personal foul. 18 ba?
Grabe sa gulang.
Wala sa kasama. Kasama. Ferrer. Apolon. Wala. Punta pa rin. Nakuha niya ang sol. For the putback. Easy do. Official score 21-17. Ramon ang team breaks by 4.
Ganda ng laban ng una eh. No, dikit lang. 4 na pass break yun eh. 2 versus 1. Hindi na nako-convert.
Still lang isa.
Oo.
Pinadali.
Hindi nila nako-convert dun. 4 na pa na ibalik yun eh. Hindi na nasi-shoot.
Back to the low game. Start of our second.
Dalawa pa pati foul out nun. Dun sa kabila. Wala pang score CJ. 2 points. Ano na position ba? 8 pa.
Number 3 to start the second. Trying to shoot the triple. Wala. Nakuha number 4. Number 4. Leading number 17. Naanaw. Same ball, sabi nila. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Number 4. Takes, shoots. Who gets the ball? Number 17. Kick out. Binigay number 4. Number 4, back to Way. Shoots. 3 seconds in the key. Sabi na rin. Number 3. Pushing the pace. It's number 3. Binigay kay Blanco. Binigay kay Laden. Binigay kay Blanco. Wala. Rebound. Shoots. Punta. Wala pa rin. Kaya pa rin ang rebound. But there's a problem foul. That's 4. Who's foul? Number 4. First personal foul on Cardenas. Short. Ganda ng pasta magandang alam. Nag-aantay na ma-open. Kinuha number 4. Back to number 12. Lozon now. Lozon tries another triple. In and out. Rebound. Nakuha. Number 3. Nagmamadali sa number 3. Number 3. Stop. The 2. Dalawa na lang po ang nahabol ng team Aldo. 21-19 in favor of Team Riggs. Lozon. Lozon now. Binigay din kay number 28. Back to Lozon. 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 Block. That is a foul. Foul on Cardenas. That is his second personal foul. 2 free throws for number 12. First shot is good for Luzon. Second free throw on the way. No good. Splitting the charity at 1 out 2. Santiago. The three by Santiago. Santiago went for his teammate in game number 3. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Binigay Santiago. Santiago drives baseline. Santiago. But there's a foul. Foul number 4. That is second personal foul. Turnover. Now it's on Luzon. Offensive foul. Ito na si number 3. Number 3, drive, shoot, not one on the dance, get into the block, 32 feet. Kick out to Santiago for a jumper. Just a point, 1 point lead for Team Ricks. Luzon, binigay sa ilalim. Easy 2 for number 24. Credit the assist to Luzon. Number 3. 6 minutes to play. Siya na rin mo tumira. In and out. Moving on to 24. Binigay kay Luzon. Over to number 4. Pushes the face is number 4. Back pedals. Balik kay Luzon. Tries a triple. Short. Rebound number 4. One shot by number 2. Number 3. Wow. Turnover. Luzon now. Luzon. Stops. Pops. Short. There's a loose ball foul on number 0. That is his first personal foul. Third team foul. Baseline inbound, 14 seconds on the shot clock. Ganda naman yung play. Nawala na lang. Number 3. Nakakabang number 12. But there's a foul. Number 3. That is his second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Number 24 guy, over 12, Luzon. Luzon pa rin. Bigay number 24. Short stab, left. Number 3 gets the offensive foul, defensive board. But there's a foul caught by the referee. It's number 29, Espinosa. Only his first personal foul, warning for penalty. Both teams warning for penalty. Number 3, over to Santiago. Santiago tries to make it. Santiago. Shoots. Number 4. That is his third personal foul. Penalty. 2 free throws for Santiago. Unang subong sa free throw line is long. Masyadong malakas.
Walang pagbabago.
Second try for Santiago. On the way. Wow. Santiago gets his own miss. Put back. Put back. Put back. Santiago. Change 5. Both teams. Official score 26 to 23. Just a 3-point lead for Team Ricks.
Black ball, black ball.
The big guy moved over to number 1. Rodriguez. Over to Pangason, back to Rodriguez. Back to Pangason, Alson makes his move for 2. What a muscle move for Mr. Alson. Mahalvina. The play is coach for Team Aljo. Binigay ni Francisco. Drive. Kick out. Number 41. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Kick out. Macalre. Short stab. Short. Rebound. Francisco. 2 points for the foul. Number 50. Only his first personal foul. Penalty. Bonus free throw. Wala. Hindi na ko siya ng limang play. Macalre. Wala pa rin. Ansol with the board. Ansol. Holds the basketball. Waiting for his point guard. Crosses the midcourt. Gives the ball to his teammate, Rodriguez. But there's a foul on number 1. Penalty. Macalre only his first personal foul. Rodriguez in and out on his first attempt. Yung complaints natin iwas tayo sa complaints. Then the referee ordered the job. Ayan na, number 41. 28 to 25 wasn't sure. Under 4 minutes. 41 shoots De La Cruz short. Number 1 is Francisco. Confusion for Francisco. Rodriguez. Isa lang po malaman at Team Ricks Paingason. Number 28, all alone. Wow. Rebound by. Last touch on Black. 1 ball. De La Cruz now. Slowly crossing the midcourt. There's De La Cruz. Asking for pick. He's getting into the Blanco. Contesting with the wrong shoe is Blanco. Number 1, Rodriguez. Rodriguez being harassed. Tagle again. From the Rainbow Country, no good. Who gets the ball? Number 41. So there's a foul on number 8. Penalty. Number 8, that is his second personal foul. 2 free throws being awarded to number 41. De La Cruz shoots short. Can he make the adjustments on the second throw? Well, long. Rebound by Ansol. How long is Rodriguez for 32? That's an assist for Ansol. Blanco tries, voila, rebound number 41, put back is good for number 41 guy, De La Cruz. Paingason over to Rodriguez, number 1. Back to Rodriguez, Tagle now. Tagle, another 1. Tagle, 4th three-pointer, that is his 4 out of 6 from the field on the 3-point country. De La Cruz. Macalre now. Binigay sa 11 na ang Paingason. Takes the pass. Truly foul. Given by Macalre. That is his second personal foul. Penalty. 2 free throws awarded to number 28, Paingason. First shot is good. No problem with the first attempt for Paingason. Second throw on the way. Nothing but net. 2 for 2 for number 28 guy, Team Ricks, making the tally 35 to 29. Under 2 minutes remaining. 1 minute and 47 from Torvilla. Wala. Rebound Ansol. Pushes the ball to Rodriguez. Rodriguez lays it up for 2. Wala. Rebound, Paingason. Wala. Nakuha si Paingason. Passes to Rodriguez. Makes short of the 2 points. Assist credited to number 28, Paingason. Number 41 now. De La Cruz takes binigay kay Blanco. Blanco drives baseline. Blanco shoots. Basket by Casada foul. Number 50, that is his second personal foul. Bonus free throw for Francisco. Or for Blanco. Sorry. Completed a three-point play. Making the score 37-32. Official score 37-32. 1 minute and 11 in our first half. 71 seconds remaining to be exact. Back to the ball game. Flying Gasson. Good on his first. 3 out of 3 from the three-point line is Flying Gasson. Second attempt on this try, 2 for 2. No problem for Flying Gasson. Made the score 39-32. 1 minute and 4 seconds. Number 41, offensive foul on number 28. Only his first personal foul.
Nangyari dun.
Seconds remaining in our first half. 39-35. Palit player kung di kaya. Buhatin na lang si sir. Palit na lang player. Palit na buhatin na lang kung man di kaya. Kaya?
Hindi na nilaputan yan.
Okay. Balik na lang for the safety. Back to the ball game. Last 58 seconds remaining in our first half. White ball, offensive foul. Ang tinawag. Papunas. Yun. Ayan. Applause for Ronnie. Alright. Back to the ball game. A shout out kay Ronnie na. Panabi na kanina kaya dahil niya kung nabi yan. Hindi ka nagagawin niya. Santiago, nababali. Punta. 2 points from Santiago. Dalawa na lang po ang kalamangan ng Team Rips. 49 seconds remaining in the first half. Gasson to Rodriguez, back to number 28. Over to Tagle. Signaling the play. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Gasson shoots. No good. Outside. Same ball. 12 seconds on the shot clock. 31 seconds in our first half. Rodriguez, binigay kay Alson. 7 seconds to shoot. Rodriguez takes. Completed the steal. It's Tapia. 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 One step too many. It's Tapia. Injury. Sige, pasok. Last 15 seconds remaining in the first half. Palingason. Number 28, Palingason. Kick out to Table. Table. Back to Palingason. Palingason. Binigay niya Alson. Alson shoots. End of our first half. Official score 41 to 37 in favor of Team Ricks.
Ha? Malapit na, mabilis na lang yan. Buti na nawala yung ulan eh. Kanina umulan umaga. Akala ko tuloy-tuloy na naman eh. Pag side step niya, itong bumigay oh. Nag-slow motion kasi siya doon. Tapos ay ang bilis niya, biglang nag-slow motion, biglang preno. Biglang bumigay yung ankle niya tuloy. Bigla siyang preno eh.
Pag ganun nga, pag sundot mo, sinabari niya yung paliwan. Kaya, ulit na lang. Ano tatama yung
Game! Abot na alas 10. Ay, nag-iosip pa pala yung malipong goal.
Start of the third quarter. To 37, again, the official score. Lozon to third. Number 12. To start the third. Tumira ng third. Nakuha ng Francisco. Long. Turnover. Ferrer now. Binigay sa gitna kay Alson. 15 seconds of the shot clock. Binigay kay Ferrer. Back to number 4. Kick out. Wala. Rebound Francisco. Binigay kay number 3. May jump. Wala. Santiago gets us offensive board. Number 3. Alson.
Nag-flap eh.
Offensive foul. Ano ba? Wala. Use ball lang wala. Turnover lang wala. Number 3. Ang nagtitimon. Binigay sa ilalim. Kay Francisco. Teka lang. Laro lang. Guys, chill. Hey, bro, chill. Okay lang. Chill. All players, sa bench muna. Double unsportsmanlike call. Number 4, Cardenas, and number 8. 3 minutes on the bench for both players.
Okay, game. Tuloy, tuloy.
Official score natin, 41-40. Silver tayo, guys. Laro lang tayo.
Ay, ano na ako?
Back to the ball game, number 41, De La Cruz, to number 3. Number 3 to 41, binigay sa ilalim, Francisco shoots, no west. Binigay number 29, Espinosa. Naghanap ng papel, binigay Lawson. Lawson, binigay Espinosa. Espinosa, to Ferrer. Out to Lawson. Lawson. Kailangan to Espinosa. Wala. Francisco Gregor, masyadong nakasasa, nakuha ni Santiago. Reverse ay isunod, nakuha ni number 3. Number 3. Second, number 3. Binigay sa gitna, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Santiago drives baseline, Santiago. But there's a dropping foul on number 29. That is his second personal foul, first team foul. Number 3, inbounding. Single. Last touch on Black. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 3 now. Being looked by number 12, Luzon. Being given a pick. Number 3 tries a triple. Short. Nakuha ni Francisco for the full foul. Change flavor lang ang ako. Ang team answered by 1. 42 to 41. 7 minutes and 17 seconds in our third quarter. Lawson now. Binigay sa kita. Dapat nakuha ni number 3. 3 break. Behind the back. Move up. Get that out of here. By Lawson.
Tapal!
41 to 42. Lamang na po ang white.
Tapal si CJ.
By just 1 point. Lawson. Binigay ni Ferrer. Number 18 over to number 24. Binigay sa ilalim na Espinosa. Wala. Missing the Jimmy is number 29, Espinosa. Number 3 now. Crossing the midcourt. Center court 3. Short. Nakuha ni number 4. Number 4. Number 4 lays up for 2. Number 2, credit the assist to number 12. Santiago, back to number 3. Number 3 dives. Binigay sa gitna, Francisco shoots. Wala. Nakuha ni Lawson. Lawson, over to Ferrer. Ferrer, in and out. Lawson. But there's a foul. Foul by the referee on number 41. That is personal foul. Substitution, right? Substitution. First team foul. Lawson, 2 free throws. First attempt is short. Second free throw on the way. Nothing but that. Waiting with charity, 1 out of 2. Making the score 44-42. Now the ball by 2 points on Team Rich or Black. Number 41, De La Cruz being given a pick to number 3. Short. Lawson, accommodated. Lawson is up. But there's a foul on number 3. That is his third personal foul, second team foul. 2 free throws for Lawson. Unang slot, wala. Second throw is good. Official score 45 to 42. 5 minutes and 40 remaining in the third. Number 41, De La Cruz now. De La Cruz. De La Cruz pa rin. Over to Macalde. Macalde shoots. Wala. Nakuha ni Espinosa. Quickly to Lozon. Lozon. Almost there for the team. Macalde. Binigay ni Santiago. Santiago. Santiago pa rin. Shoots. Wala. Rebound Espinosa. Quickly to Lozon. Brings up for two. Official score 49 to 42. Ganun ang pito ang team breaks. Official time 4 minutes and 58. To the ball game. Under 5 minutes remaining. 4:58 to be exact. 49 to 42. Lamang ang pito ang black. Santiago now. And running the ball to number 41. Number 41, De La Cruz. De La Cruz over to number 3. Back to number 41. Binigay sa gitna kay Tapia. Tapia, kick out to Santiago. Santiago plays. Francisco. Sumunod kay Francisco. Warning on number 11 for consistent complaining. 49 to 44. Ating Lozon. Lozon na binigay na. Hands, raise up. West. Nakakuha ni Santiago. Santiago over to De La Cruz. De La Cruz, raise up. To the foul. Number 12.
Baka lumobo yan. Baka lumobo. Huwag mo na lang ipilit.
These first, 2 free throws for De La Cruz. First try is no good. That is the second team foul for Team Ricks. Second throw for De La Cruz is good. Triples in for the lucky bounce. 1 out of 2 on that trip on the line. Lozon now. Lozon, lamang sila ng apat. Ay to Alvin number 3. Binigay Ferrer. Ferrer, 10 seconds of the shot clock. Number 4. Offensive board. Ferrer. In the lucky number 4. Then up for 2. Credit the assist to Ferrer. Easy 2 points for number 4. Number 3 now. Over 2. Back to number 3. Number 3, Bates, drives, pick out Santiago. Santiago. Bates, shoots. 2 points for number 12, Santiago. Making the tally 51 to 47. 3 minutes and 21 in the third. Lozon. Lozon pa rin. Binigay ko rin sa air. Put up for Espinosa. 52 points for Espinosa. Amin na naman ang palarangan ng Black. 53 to 47. Number 3 now. Winning kay Tapia. Number 3. Number 3. Pick out to Santiago. Tries a triple. Rebound number 4. Quickly number 12. Lozon. Lozon over to Ferrer. Short pass. 2 points for Ferrer. Santiago now. Back to Santiago. To number 3. Number 3 shoots. Short. Rebound number 4. Number 4. Shot naman. Number 4. Spins. Shoots. No good. Gets his own miss. Wala. Ferrer. Spins. Wala pa rin. Raise up. 2 points. There's a 21. That is his second personal foul. Third team foul. 2 free throws for Ferrer. First free throw on the way for Ferrer.
Piso. Nice shot.
Yes, sir. Lucky bounce.
Nice shot.
Lucky bounce for Ferrer. Second throw.
Piso ulit.
Nothing but net. 2 for 2. Substitution. Ferrer out by Gasol in. Number 3 now of Pinalton. Crossing the midline. Centering the play is number 3. Binigay Santiago. Santiago takes. Santiago drives. Binigay Francisco. Lamini Flow. Sabi nila. Under 2 minutes. 1:46. 10 kailangan ng black. Lozon. Open the line from A. Lozon now. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Makes his move. Kick out. To number 4. Hands up. For 2. The big guy, number 4. Yan. For that easy layup. Santiago makes his move. Nakapinili pa ni Gasol. But there's a blocking foul on number 4. Cardenas. Substitution. Cardenas, that is his third personal foul. Warning for penalty. Black ball. Last 1 minute and 18 remaining in our third quarter. 39 to 47. Playing Gasol. Tries to go with it. With box out. Number 3 now, on the net. Rizal, wala. Rizal. Siya pa rin, number 3, wala pa rin. Gets his own miss, is number 3. Binigay sa ilalim. Wala. Has been also with the board. Quickly to Lozon. Lozon, behind the back pass to number 24 for the easy boost. 61 to 47, trying to assist to Lozon for an easy 2 for number 24, the muzzle man. Number 41 tries a triple. Voila. Rebound Francisco shoots. 2 points plus a foul on number 24. That is his first personal foul. Bonus free throw awarded to Francisco. Francisco in and out of the bonus. That's the next number 4. Binigay pa ni Gasol. Gasol takes, drives baseline. Now Peros. Pick up to Lozon. Last 10 seconds on the baseline. Lozon. Side steps. Voila. Lamang po ang Team Ricks. Back to the ball game. Start of our fourth and final quarter between Team Aljun and Team Ricks. White ball. Official score 49 to 61. 12-point lead. And doesn't tell me for Team 1.
Dong! Dali mo lang.
De La Cruz now to start the fourth. De La Cruz. Kick out to Santiago. Santiago tries. Wala. Rebound tapping. Binigay kay Lozon. The 12. Over here, quickly to the number 28. Fake. Binigay sa side. Tackle no good. Rebound number 31. De La Cruz. But there's a foul caught by ref number 28. Only his second personal foul, the first team foul. Number 41 being awarded 2 free throws. First shot is no good. Second throw is good. 1-2 for De La Cruz. Making the score 61-50. Once again, Black Luzon. Siya na rin tumira. Number 3. Number 3 drives in the middle. Surrounding violation. Good defense by teammates. Number 12, Lozon. Over to Paingason, drive baseline, binigay sa gitna, Alson, back to Paingason, kick out to, tap with base. 3 seconds in the key for team back turnover. Katose ang hinahabol ng White, 41 De La Cruz. De La Cruz drives, binigay kay Francisco, shoots 2 points for Francisco Mandela. Luzon now. Wisely slowing down the pace. Rodriguez to Luzon. Luzon! Back-to-back triples for number 12, Luzon. Making the tally 67-52. Number 3, signaling the play. Over to number 41, De La Cruz. De La Cruz tries a triple over. Paingason long ball. Paingason. Over to Alson. Alson. Binigay sa labas kay Rodriguez. Rodriguez fakes. Back to Luzon. Luzon makes his move. Luzon pa rin. Starting set. Tangler. Shot to number 3. No good. Francisco. Binigay sa number 3. Number 3 makes his move. Block. But there's a foul. On number 16. That is his first personal foul on the second team foul. Substitution. 41 out, number 1 in. Second throw. Trickles in for number 3. 54-67. Lalong Black by 13 big points. Luzon. Over to Paingason. Takes the shot. Back to Luzon. 11 on the shot clock. Luzon na naman. Paingason. Binigay kay Rodriguez. Short shot. It's good for number 1, Rodriguez. What a good basketball play for Team Bricks. Sharing the basketball. Number 3, binigay kay Macalve, tries a triple. Wala. Nakakuha ni Alson. Alson now, binigay kay Tablet. Tablet, stops, pops, no good. Rebound Rodriguez, binigay kay Tablet, another 1.
Swerte. Mas tinamaan ng swerte.
Number 3, lays up. Sidu, wala. Put back for 2.
Tinamaan ng swerte.
For Francisco. Rodriguez to Luzon, the ace point guard being harassed. Binigay kay Rodriguez, eye to eye with Santiago, binigay kay Luzon. Luzon, another triple. But there's a foul on number 1. That is his third personal foul.
Wala kayong depensa eh.
3 free throws for number 12, Luzon. First attendance on hit.
Hindi ka na di-depensa eh. Yun yung kulang sa inyo, depensa eh.
In and out on the second attempt.
Mas malalakit pa nga kayo dyan, no?
0 out of 3 on that trip on the line. Santiago, binigay kay Macalde. Wala. Who gets the ball by Gason? Over to Rodriguez. Quickly to Lozon. Lozon stops. No good. And then Francisco. Counter steal by Gason. Siya na rin ang pamira? Wala. Binigay ni Padre. Another on the way. Wala. Rebound. Substitution. Tapia in. Macalde out. Substitution. Tagle po yung Gason out.
Ang lalaki niyo, boy!
Final score 72-56. 16 big points. Number 3. Now to the back. Quickly to Lozon. Who lays up all alone for 2. Santiago now.
All yours.
Wala. Drive. Side stepping move. Here's up for 2. That's a foul on number 29. Espinosa. That is his 3rd personal foul. 3rd team foul. Bonus free throw for Santiago on the way. Long. Rebound by number 4. Binigay ni Lozon. Over to 39. Espinosa drives. Lays up. Wala. Francisco with a defensive ball. Number 3. Number 3. Number 3. Lays up for 2. 74-60. Tapos siya pala. Rodriguez na. Magbabatay ni Espinosa. Balik kay Rodriguez while playing for 2. Good basketball play for the 2 guys of Phoenix. Number 3, 76-60 ating score. Panim. Binigay kay Tapia. Tapia. Over to Panim, number 3. Over to Santiago. Santiago, 8 seconds on the shot clock. Tries a triple. Long. Tapia with effective board. Tapia pa rin. Drives baseline. Fakes. Shoots. Black ball. Last touch on white. Just under 4 minutes remaining. Rodriguez na naman. Fakes. Lays up. Wala. Rebound Tapia. Number 4. Moving out. That one is Santiago. Santiago. Number 3. Fakes. 2 points. Rodriguez, all the way, but there's a foul. Substitution. Number 4, Cardenas. Cardenas, warning for graduate. That is his 4th. Rodriguez, first try, short. (76-62) official score, 3 minutes and 15 remaining. Second try, no good. Substitution. 1 ball. Number 3, Panim. Binigay ko kay Cruz. Short Savager. Number 41. Boxing na lang, hinahabol. 3 minutes remaining. Lozon. Being hounded. Eye to eye with Panim. Lozon pa rin. Lozon. Stops. Good defense. Same ball. 10 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Panim. Quickly. 1 minute. Fakes. Side-stepping move. Tapia for the short stab is over. Lozon. For a long break. Lozon stops. Pops. Francisco. Second personal foul on Francisco. That is the third team foul. Alson, 14 seconds on the shot clock. Inbound to miscommunication by number 24 and number 8. Turnover. Santiago now. Francisco, shoot. Nakuha ni Esperanza. Nakuha number 4. Traveling violation. Last 2 minutes. That last 2 minutes was brought to you by Katak LC. Number 3, Panin. Panin. Raise up. In now. Binigay number 4. Alson. Holds the ball. Binigay number 4. Binigay number 1. Back to number 4. Nakuha number 24. Cross court. To Lozon. Lozon. Ito ay Santiago. It's Lozon.
Backward na, bigay mo na.
Minute and 32 in our fourth and final quarter. 92 seconds remain to be done. Panin over to Tapia. Tapia drives straight line. Tapia pa rin, this is another. Francisco. And there is a foul. Foul number 8, Alson. Warning for Roger is Alson. 2 free throws from Francisco. First shot is good. Warning for penalty, team breaks. 85 seconds remaining. Wala ang Pangalatia. Lozon. Lozon. Over to Espinosa. Blocking foul on number 41. Warning for penalty. Espinosa back to number 24. One way. That is what we call pivotal play for number 24 and number 29. Taking the tally official 78-65. Tapia fake. So there's a foul on number 29, Espinosa. 2 free throws for Tapia. That is his first personal foul for Espinosa. Warning for graduate. Wala ang unang tira ni Tapia. Second throw is good. Splitting the charity. 65 seconds remaining. Lozon, eye to eye with Panin. Lozon pa rin. Lozon. Behind the right back. Lozon. Santiago. All alone for 2. Espinosa. To number 24. Over to Lozon. Lozon. Finish. Lozon pa rin. Wise behind the clock is Lozon. Espinosa. Back to the good for Espinosa. One-handed move. Tapia. Drives. Shoots. Wala pa rin. Fix. Block. But there's a foul on number 4. Penalty. 2 free throws for Tapia. Warning on number 4 for graduate. 4th personal foul. First strike for Tapia is good. Second throw Tapia. Wala. Number 4. Lozon. Number 2 is up. 2 points. Keep the foul. Number 3. 4th personal foul. Penalty. Bonus free throw for Lozon. Putting the icing on the cake is Lozon. Taking the tally 83 to 69. Again, takes, shoots, wala.
Good. Ikaw bumangga eh. Kamay.
Good game.